Hi, everybody. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. Welcome to week 5. That's correct. We already had lecture this week, and now we're kind of in the middle of it. I did have an intro announcement, but for some reason those are being corrupted files, so I'm just going to do one announcement for the whole week. That way, yes, it's that first announcement was just an intro to kind of get you into the week. Let's just talk about something that's really important that'll help you out with your assignments and really get where you need to go. So let's talk about the visual techniques of ethos, logos, and pathos, and how important it is to utilize these things and how important it is to see visuals from them. So ethos is really interesting. Ethos is defined as one's credibility. It's establishing credibility and allows your audience to trust the message being presented. And credibility can be established through reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth, anything that allows you to have trust. And that's what really matters with that. And using a source of credibility can help persuade users and audiences and any type of viewers that see this stuff. For example, you put Superman on Got Milk and makes him strong. I mean, it just helps out even the cause right there. Even though Superman's a fictional character, we know he's the strongest person, and if he gets stronger by drinking milk, per se, but he would be stronger in general. So that would be a reason. So if Superman's drinking milk, you should drink milk. Now, logos is a little bit different. It's the second persuasive element and uses logic. Once credibility is established, the argument must be presented, must also make sense. To be logical, any argument is centered around the ability of an audience to draw conclusions from the information presented. And those conclusions are based upon concise, straightforward information such as facts, statistics, graphs, charts, and data. A and B comparisons, results of research, data, all this plays a part. For example, when you see commercials that utilize data or factual evidence, that allows you to not only have the credibility, but it also gains trust through the logical element because you have the physical example in front of you, and that's what matters. Pathos is the final part of it, and these visuals tend to focus on the final appeal. As you have the facts and you have the credibility, now you have the exaggeration and the emotion that's tied to it. And emotion is a persuasive appeal that captures our attention and engages the audience. And you tend to see pathos most often played to our senses, memories, and experiences. It also has a means of connecting the audience verbally or visually, and it's quite powerful. So, all right. Other than that, that's all I got. I graded your assignments. I'm going to finish your discussions tomorrow, maybe tomorrow if I get a chance. Maybe in the morning. I think I'm going to try and aim for that. But other than that, that's all I got. Do keep in mind you still have your discussions. Your reply post due Saturday. If you haven't posted an initial post yet, please post that. Those are supposed to be due on Tuesday. And then also you have your weekly assignment and your live lecture on Sunday as well. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Do keep in mind last week is next week and the last day of class is on Friday. So please make sure to take a look at some of the things, and if you're missing any assignments or anything, please contact me about it, and I can help you out from there. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great week. If you need anything, please holler. Other than that, have a good one. Be safe, my friends. Enjoy.